That's awesome.
It's pretty sick.
What is that? It's a little gimbal camera thing. But yeah.
Oh,
Are you vlogging?
Shit.
Am I vlogging? I don't know. I'm doing pretty poorly at it.
Oh,
What's that?
Wow. Vlog.
Look at that.
American Apple. Dude, that's dope.
Yeah. I'm just hovering over it, yeah.
I know it's definitely,
Oh, it's the best. You know, it's.
What?
I'm always trying to find like the normal summer grasses, like wine bags or anything like the sound of them, just cherry on top. Okay, interesting.
These are just cherry MX Blacks, vintage.
These are the standard blacks. They're not. Yeah, they're not that. But if I ever get one, maybe I'll get one. Yeah,
That's awesome.
basically it's
These are more blacks.
Starfield, Korea. And then I think there's like one more. Or like cherry blacks.
Yeah, these are all cherry blacks. It's Calibra. Ooh, boba. These are what bobas feel like. Whoa. Wait, they're boba.
Mine feel like. What the hell did he do to that?
Okay, could they be silent bobas? They're silent bobas, I think. Tuned by Kerbal. Okay.
Should have brought my razor.
Yeah. It actually sounds really good. Yeah. I know, that's what I'm saying. That's awesome.
Really loud.
I think you would like this one a lot, Will. Is there Polia Zyko?
I don't know what these are.
I don't know, but it sounds really nice. Stop. The anti-foam agenda is acting up.
It's not even just ABS.
NK87. So this is what the NK87 looks like. The beige one. This is a really nice color. I like it. What we got here? Another HHKB. Whoa.
Oh, I want these.
Whoa.
I need to.
They feel good.
This initial female.
I know. That's cool. But this case is cool.
This got me tripped though. 69? Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, go for it.
These are
I just wanna rub one real quick. It's just, I know it's not even translated in the video, but whatever. That spacebar looks so cool. I wonder how you get like caps like that though. Hey, Mr. Will. I know, see? We have Mr. Pho Poppy over here. Wow, 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 Segoy. It's my OF cam, bro. It's handheld for POV.
You stream it?
Okay, so what we got here? Is this the board that you just built last night?
Yes. The Ella.
The Ella, and then this one is.
That's the SM keyboard isolation.
Okay.
65.
Beautiful. Thank you, sir. And here's Pho Poppy's boards. Pho Poppy. I still really like this one, man. So was this a group buy board or what was it?
Yeah, it's a group buy. Yeah.
How much was it? I gotta know.
It's like 4.
Ay, man, what the hell? No, I need to stop shooting on this and go on my phone too.
What is that?
It's cool. It's an Osmo pocket, but like it's got a gimbal, so it self-stabilizes. You see that? Yeah, but you put the transition music.
That's cool.
Wow. I love it. I absolutely love it. Where are we putting it? Yeah, I'm not sure.
You can't put it next to my friends.
Black ink V2s. We got this. Dang. Hashtag 0001. Cobra. Solid state software.
I don't know what that means.
Hunt. It says hunt the wumpus down here. Huh? Oh, I don't know. We're trying to hit some monkey types. Well, look, we're watching Andy too. We're watching Andy. So we got the alluvias. Man, this person got money. Holy shit. Oh.
If that started moving, that'd be sick.
Let me get this really quick. Dang, Lettuce is famous.
Is that both his signatures?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Maybe that's his full signature, then it's just his logo. I don't. Is that? Oh, it's tiny. Oh, I'm sorry. I should have done this. I should have done like scoops. I should have done the scoops of the hash lines. Yeah, I know. Yeah, they're selling alpacas. They're really nice to type on. I feel like nice little buttons.
Who could run?
Who could write on Switch? I'm gonna touch Juan's yet. This is Juan. The owner of this. All this cool stuff.
You're good. They got Nevertheless.
So nice, man. Just want all these keyboards. So sad.
Plastic.
Thanks, man.
Oh, did you? It's beautiful. It's a work of art.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I like that.
And those are die subs too.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Apple, back in the day, Apple pulled no punches. Switches. Oh no, I take it back. This could also come with a different kind of mouse, but basically the same. This one could come with Mitsumi KAM, which is basically Mitsumi's vintage linear, very tall, very smooth, it's just binding like a motherfucker, and has a little bit of tactility on the bottom half, and also, of course, came with really thick.
What is this? What is this?
All right, I will take you right now.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm basically giving up on it.
That's so awesome.
Oh, dear Lord. You got the people frogs.
Oh, they're so cute. They're there?
Yeah, right here, and then there's another one right here. Oh, there's another
Wait.
one too. Another one right there.
And another one right there.
Get this cookie. This is really nice.
I only have. I have one incoming.
Nice.
This pink, this goes orange, and this goes green.
Can I touch?
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
I wasn't
You
sure.
can throw it on with a Sharpie. If you
Yeah.
can't touch it,
So you can like move in the dark.
yeah, for 15 minutes.
That's so
You know what I
cool.
mean? But,
But you can still loop in the dark. That's all.
yeah,